Hey everyone, enjoy the show.
How you doing today? So last week, a friend of mine, who we both have been in this business for over 40 years, had gotten a call from a collector up in Utah, which also had collected gumball machines and trade stimulators for about 25 years. The man said, hey, you gotta buy it all or buy nothing. The guy took up north, he took the largest rider truck you could rent and filled it all the way to the back. He was a gumball machine restorer, collector, and seller. He didn't want the trade stimulators. He knew I dealt in them, so I bought every trade stimulator he had, plus these match vending machines. There's approximately 130 machines. As you can see, this is the kind of load you want to get. These are all really nice aluminum cast, gumball, mint vendor machines. Just a super nice load. I was very pleased to have them. You just don't come across 130 pieces that often. You can buy all at once. So I got the guy's whole 20-year collection, and we will be getting some of these ready. If anybody's here in the local area or comes out and wants to buy some, get a hold of us, come on in, take a look, and see if there's something in here you would like, because I know that there is. I'd like to sell. I don't have enough time in my life to fix all these, so I'd like to roll about half of them and let them go, let somebody else get them all cleaned up and looking good. Anyway, nice load. Happy to share it with you. Hopefully you'll get a hold of me and buy some. Thank you for your time.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.